Okay, we're doing a fitment on a 2023 EQS 580 sedan. Front of it there. Yeah, and there's the EQS 580. Okay, first thing we're going to do is remove that center screw. It's got an 8mm head. So we're going to get our 8mm socket and remove that. Then you're going to grab your base plate, your 4.2 by 35 screw, and a 11/16 spacer. Make sure you put the 4.2 by 35 through the bottom of the base plate, and then the spacer goes on top of the base there, and then there's 3M tape that we're going to use to keep it from rotating. The 3M tape is not to hold it on at all. It's just to keep it from turning.
Okay, so normally we would remove the 3M tape, but because we're just doing it for demonstration, we're going to leave it on. But you would remove the 3M tape, and then you would start your bracket into the hole, and then keep it away from, you know, just let it hang loose. Start it. Get it started in there. Grab your 7mm socket, and you're going to tighten it up just a little bit. And remember, now we're not going to adhere it yet. It's going to still be off the car. Then we're going to take the front plate. We're going to take the front plate and we're going to set it in. And again, we haven't done anything. And we're going to make sure before we stick the tape that we line it. And you can have somebody help you if you want, but you want to make sure that the plate is, you know, centered and equal distance on both sides. And once you confirm that, then you can just hold that in place, and then now start tightening up the screw. And then as you start to snug it, you know, now you can check it as you're going and just make sure that it's still, you know, that it's nice and straight and where you want it, because you can still make an adjustment at this point. Once you're happy with it, it looks good, looks like it's aligned properly, then now you can go ahead and continue to tighten the screws. And as you can see, it'll tighten pretty good. There you go, now it's nice and solid. And then normally at the end we would show you how to put it on, where you normally, this is what it look like with the plate off. Pull the pin, start your plate in, and then just slide it till it locks into place.
And there you go.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other 3 screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.